Hello guys, in this video I will try just to speak about the capital. It means how much money you have. When you have little money, like let's say $2,000, $5,000, $10,000, believe me, you can do that much. That's why when the people, when they begin to trade, because they don't have that much money, what do they do? They go to cheaper stocks. Okay, mostly they are penny stocks, like under $5, like $4, $3, $2, $1, and those they think that they are cheap. They are not cheap. Okay, because those are very, very tiny companies. Some of the companies are not making that much money. Okay, that's why their price is so little. Okay, it's not a big deal. And some beginners they think that if they buy like $1, they have, for example, someone who has $2,000 and he finds like a stock with $1, he can buy like 100 shares with $100. Okay, he thinks that it's like a good bargain. Okay, you buy for example 100 shares with $100. How much you pay in commission? I see some people that are paying like $6, $7, $8, $9 or more. Okay, if you are paying $9 to buy, $9 to sell, 9 plus 9, 18, 18 after 100, you lost 18% just by buying this $100. Okay, so 18% is too much money. Just you lose because you buy this cheap penny stock. Do you understand what does it mean 18%? You do nothing, just you buy and then you sell. You lose 18%. Plus, there is another thing. You have what we call slippage. It means before the bid and ask. Those small penny stocks, because they are so cheap and the volume is so low, because no one is going to buy there. Okay, only the beginners and few professional. The professional, they take advantage of the beginners and they rip them off. Okay, so you find low volume. When you find low volume, like for example 10,000 volume each day, or 50,000, 100,000, even 1 million, 1 million trades, 1 million shares a day. 1 million, if the stock is 10 cents or 5 cents, 1 cent, is nothing. Okay, there is not that much money in this stock. So you find that the bid and ask are so wide. For example, you find the bid is $1, but the ask you find $1.20, $1.10, $1.30. Depends on the stock. Okay, so when you buy, you lose. Let's say I give you an example. From $1 to $1, let's say 10 cents. How much you lose? You lose 10%. If, for example, you buy and you want just to sell at the moment, you are losing 10% of your money. So let's do the math. You buy 100 shares, okay, and each share is $1. So you spend $100. You spend, for example, let's say just 8 or 9 or 7. Let's say 9. I give you just an example to make it sure. You buy and you sell later, like tomorrow, okay, is $18. $18 is 18% plus 10% of the slippage. It means the difference between the ask and the buy. So 28%. Now, tell me, how do you make money in this kind of stocks? That's why a lot of people, a lot of beginners, they begin trading this and they think they can make money. Now, by the end of the year, if you don't lose, you are even. Most of the people are like this, but most people, they lose. Suppose that it is $1, next day it is $50. Okay, it is $1, and next morning you find your stock is 50 cents. So 50 cents, you lose 50%, plus you lose 18% of the commission, plus 10% of, you have nothing. That's why what I advise is try to buy stocks more than $5. 5, 6, 7, 10, whatever you buy, because you don't have money. Okay? It's not because you don't have money that you should buy these small issues and you say, I may make money. You can, even if you make one trade, you make money. The other trades, you will lose money. And then, when you lose money, you can't resist. So, you need time to save money. Save money. If you, for example, you are doing a tax return or something, you get your refund, whatever you get, just keep it. Try to save as much money as you can, and then you can have an account. I'm not saying a big account, but you just have some money. 15,000, 20,000, 25,000. Just you have some money in order that you begin to trade. And then you need like a strategy to begin with, and you need a chart. Okay, in my book, I always have the chart that I'm using. It's in my book. So this is it for this small accounts. And sometimes you will find that you find good stocks, but these good stocks are $100. Okay, I see. Okay, good stocks, they go very fast. For example, if you find a stock that it is $100 and it's going fast, how much you can make of this? There are some stocks that are $100. Next morning, next day, it's $105. The other day, $112. The other day, $118. This is the stocks that the people are looking for. Big stocks, good stocks that when you buy, you can make money. Okay? Now you are going to stocks that it is 5 cents, 10 cents, 20 cents. Okay? And you lose commission. You lose a big percentage of your money by commission. You lose slippage. It's not a big deal. It means you cannot make it. If you are just training, okay, it's good, but train on stocks that are 6, 7, 10, 15, 20. Don't train yourself on these issues. I'm against this kind of penny stocks. Always. Whenever I find someone who comments on in my channel and just play the nice guy, and he put some penny stocks, say, oh, I have bought this and this and this, I could have, I will stop him immediately and I will send him an email. I say, if you do advertise for penny stocks in my channel, I will ban you. Just this. If you do it again, I will buy without talking to him anymore. Why? Because this is how do they advertise for their penny stocks. They try to, those kind of people, they do nothing. They want just beginners to go to this penny stocks, because no one goes professional. Believe me, professional. Have you heard someone who is a floor trader in an exchange like a New York exchange, he goes and he buys a stock that it is $1? They don't. Okay? Why? Because there is no money in it. All the money that you find, for example, a stock that it is $1, and you find 50,000 shares traded. What is it? 50,000. It's only 50,000. If you can half and half is sold, half is bought, half is bought, it's like $25,000. Who can go to a stock that it has $25,000 or $50,000? Who will take the money? This is not money, because it's not a big money. Okay, people, they go to stocks that are millions. Now Facebook is 40 million by $50. Okay, this we have billions of dollars each day traded. That's why people, they go to trade big stocks and good stocks. At least they can make money. Okay. Now losers, they go to penny stocks. They think they can make it, and they can buy, and they sell, and they can make money. Now when you are professional and you know how to trade, you can go to penny stocks later, not now. The first year, second year, third year, stay with good stocks, even if you don't have money. Okay? Buy good stocks, you can make some money, and you can train yourself. Okay? So thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, just ask.